Hello everyone. Job Vision has completed 10 years in the industry. On behalf of the organization, I would like to thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. As an entrepreneur, I feel proud that I am able to uh, sit here content with whatever I have done and the decisions which I took 10 years back to start this venture. It was never easy to start something on your own at a pretty early age when I just graduated from my college and just 1 year completed in my job and I was doing pretty well at that time. But take that decision so early and to start something without knowing many people in the industry was something which I feel at that time it was little tricky, but eventually it worked out properly. See, if I talk about this journey, when I started this, there were obviously in my mind there were a lot of reservations when I started this. One was that how sustainable the venture is going to be, and secondly, whether this is the right thing to do or not. So, like a lot of people, I had the same thing, but I strongly believe that there is something which is known as gut feel also, and there is something which is known as calculated risk also, which I believe we all should take in due course of time. So when I started this, my biggest challenge was to let go of that thought of receiving salary every month, and which was a thing which took me at least couple of months to realize that this may not be same anymore, and there has to be some sort of a patience which is required. Another thing which I was really lucky was my parents were extremely helpful for me, and they actually supported me when I said that I'm going to do that, I'm going to quit my job and all. So initially few years it was tough. It was always tough because I thought that uh, when I was trying to figure out that what is the right business model, which we all go through when we start anything. That time to see the peers growing and you kind of stalling in whatever you were trying to do was slightly challenging, but it took a lot of patience, and I was pretty sure that whatever I'm trying to do long term, it would be far more beneficial than what I was doing. So that thing really helped me in shaping this up, and I took that decision. I would say I had passion, I had enthusiasm, and I had trust in my abilities also. So three things which really worked for me also, which I believe should be a fundamental thing if you are also looking to take any step in your career in this direction. Fundamentally, you need to also accept sometimes that you would fail, and once you fail, it is not something that is a kind of, it should not leave a scar on you, that it should at least be a reminder that this is the reason why we have why we need to be grounded and why we need to improvise and probably think rationally. So failures have been there. There have been natural calamities. COVID is one. Then you had financial stocks plunging down, and all the financial things which happened in the world as well. So there would always be instances. It's not the first instance, it's not the last instance. But I think sorting yourself out in eking out what exactly would be the roadmap ahead is a challenging thing. Secondly, is to evolve all the time, not to even think that you're done, because in entrepreneurship you're never done. Whenever you feel settled, there would be a turmoil everywhere around the corner, and it's a vice versa thing also. So entrepreneurship is a journey wherein every day the feeling is different. The feeling is enjoyable, but at some point of time it is extremely stressful also. Don't keep yourself fussy about a particular thing. That's one thing. Secondly, I think it's very important for you to decentralize your power also when you are working. It's not always important for you to keep everything to yourself, because in that ways you can only grow short term, which I feel strongly. It's important for you to believe in the people who are working with, be it your clients, be it your vendors, be it your team members. So everybody has a different role, in making your journey a successful journey. And that is where a lot of people I've seen that actually perished, because they feel that they are the only persons who would make the right decisions, that which is fundamentally wrong. Keep on evolving with our processes, with our technologies, with the demographics, uh, uh, with skill sets, and kind of a cultural thing which we can further uplift, because it's always important for us all to also to ensure that whatever is happening, how we can upgrade ourselves in this evolving market, and how the situation is now different to what it was a couple of years back. So this is a fascinating journey. As I said, I've enjoyed every bit of it. I'm still enjoying it. I'm still looking, that freshness of growing further is still there, and that is one thing which always keeps me going. So thank you to my clients. They have been wonderful. They have always been supportive enough in understanding our bandwidth, our skill sets and all, and some of them have really been our long partner for almost 10 years, right from the inception of our business. So that kind of a bonding we have with our customers also. So I feel proud to be associated with them. And we are very lucky that there are some great organizations which we are getting part of every single day, and we feel as if we have more responsibility now to actually further improvise our processes. Special mention to my employees. I believe that nothing would have been possible without them. Nothing would have been possible without their efforts, their commitment, their zeal towards work, the dedication of taking Job Vision to the next level. And I really salute your effort, and I hope that there are many more things in years to come. I have been really lucky that my wife is a big support for me. She always guides me whenever I am pretty stressed out about any particular decision which I need to take, anything where I am stuck. So really lucky that she helps me, and my parents as well, my whole family. They also are part of this thing to ensure that I stay focused, I stay relieved, and I am in my best mental condition to actually deliver better results. So thank you all. I hope that we continue with our evolving partnership. Let's all hope to actually strive for excellence in the coming days as well. Appreciate it. Thank you.